Students, today we cover the Geography chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, CBSE Class 9. Let us learn about virgin vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. This is termed as a virgin vegetation. Now let us learn about the factors that influence the growth of flora and fauna in India. The following factors influence the growth of flora and fauna in India. 1. Land. Land affects the natural vegetation directly and indirectly. The nature of land influences the type of vegetation. The fertile level is generally devoted to agriculture. The undulating and rough terrains are areas where grassland and woodlands develop and give shelter to a variety of wildlife. 2. Soil. Different types of soils provide bases for different types of vegetation. 3. Temperature. The character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation and soil. 4. Photoperiod. Sunlight. The variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to differences in latitude, altitude, season and duration of the day. 5. Precipitation. In India, almost the entire rainfall is brought in by the advancing southwest monsoon (June to September) and retreating northeast monsoons. Areas of heavy rainfall have more dense vegetation as compared to other areas of less rainfall. Now let us throw some light on the importance of forests for human beings. Forests are renewable resources and play a major role in enhancing the quality of environment. They modify local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, support a variety of industries, provide livelihood for many communities, offer panoramic or scenic view for recreation. It controls wind force and temperature and causes rainfall. It provides humus to the soil and shelter to the wildlife. Now let us learn about the tropical evergreen forests. They are at the best in areas having more than 200 centimeters of rainfall with a short dry season. The trees reach great heights up to 60 meters or even above. There is no definite time for trees to shed their leaves. One of the commercially important trees of this forest is ebony. The common animals found in these forests are elephants, monkey, lemur and deer. Now let us throw some light on tropical deciduous forests. These are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called the monsoon forests and spread over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. The former is found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeters. These forests exist, therefore, mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states, along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa and Chhattisgarh, and on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Now let us look at the thorn forests of India. In regions with less than 70 centimeters of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Acacias, palms, euphorbias and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. The montane forests of India. In mountainous areas, the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. The wet temperate type of forests are found between a height of 1,000 and 2,000 meters. Between 1,500 and 3,000 meters, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas, places having high altitude in southern and northeast India. At higher elevations, temperate grasslands are common. The mangrove forests of India. The mangrove tidal forests are found in the areas of coasts influenced by tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coasts. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of the plants submerged underwater. The deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in these forests. Turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in these forests. Now let us learn about the wildlife of India. India has approximately 90,000 animal species. The country has about 2,000 species of birds. They constitute 13% of the world's total. It also shares between 5 and 8% of the world's amphibians, reptiles and mammals. The elephants are the most majestic animals among the mammals. They are found in the hot wet forests of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are the other animals which live in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Arid areas of the Rann of Kutch and the Thar Desert are the habitat for wild ass and camels respectively. Indian bison, nilgai, blue bull, chousingha, four-horned antelope, gazelle and different species of deer are some other animals found in India. It also has several species of monkeys. What are the major causes for threats to nature? The main causes for this major threat to nature are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes, pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction of alien species and reckless cutting of the forest to bring land under cultivation and inhabitation are also responsible for the imbalance. Let us now look at the initiatives taken by the government to protect flora and fauna in India. 14 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. 4 out of these, the Sundarbans in the West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu and the Nilgiris, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Financial and technical assistance is provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. 89 national parks, 490 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. Thank you. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.